Hello, my name is Mike, and I am going to teach you a card trick. Okay, so let's go. The only thing you need for this trick is cards. And you need hands that are at least sort of adult size. I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so you tell the person, okay, look at this. I've got this deck of cards here, and I'm going to just go through. I'm going to move the cards like this, and you tell me when to stop. And whatever card I stop on, I am going to be able to guess it. Are you ready? So, I'm just going to go through, tell me when to stop. Anytime they can tell you when to stop, stop. I even like to close my eyes, yeah? And now, this card is the Two of Hearts. Look at that, the Two of Hearts. Oh wow, pretty incredible, right? Well, I can do it again, no problem. You don't even need to shuffle. You can shuffle the cards, whatever, and you're ready to go again. All right, so again, you tell the person, just gonna go through, tell me when to stop, anywhere, stop, there? Okay, and now, closing my eyes, and this is the Jack of Diamonds. Sure enough, the Jack of Diamonds. All right, so that is the trick. You can do it once, you can do it 10 times, you can do it 100 times. It always works. Now, let me explain how. Okay, well, as you're talking with the person, you're moving your hands, right? You're moving your hands, you're talking, you're shuffling, and you just glance down casually and you notice the card that's on the bottom, right? Just any point in time, you're talking, you look down. Don't show it to them. You don't want to flash it to them so that they're familiar with the card. You just sort of quickly flash it up at yourself and just looks like a natural movement, and you see the card, and then you're ready to go. Be sure that no one else sees it. So I'm going to show you from the side, because what I do is I go through the cards like this, but what I really have is my thumb on the bottom holding that card, that black 5 on the bottom, right? And so I go through and they can tell me when to stop, whenever, and then I just pull that card out and I show it to them. The black 5 of spades. So it looks like this. Going through, my thumb is here on the bottom, right? My thumb is here on the bottom. And I'm just gonna go through, and you can go through as much or as little as you want, and you stop, and boom. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. The second thing you have to do is you have to make sure that the person you're doing the trick with is in front of you. So remember to do 2 things. Yeah? Don't let them see the card on the bottom. Yeah? And when you're doing it, don't let anyone be on the sides. Yeah? Keep yourself ready and make sure that the cards are always down here. And the last thing that is true with any magic trick, and that is practice, practice, practice. Because there's nothing worse than doing a magic trick for your audience and you drop the cards or things don't go right. So make sure that you're very comfortable with these different motions. You're talking, you're glancing at the cards, whatever, everything just has to seem natural. A wonderful way to do this is practicing in the mirror. Just go to the mirror, check it out, yeah, and watch yourself. Look and see how you're talking, and if your head looking down at the cards looks normal, or if it looks forced, or how you're doing. And if you really want a professional look, record it. Get a camera or something like that, and then you can watch it later, just to see how effective it is. Another thing I would recommend is practicing shuffling, cutting the cards, having different ways that you can shuffle or mix the cards in the air. That always looks very professional, and it gives people confidence in your abilities. Wow, this person really knows cards. They know how to shuffle in the air, and they know how to magically guess what card I'm looking at.